And right now we're working on this view with this top bar and the workspace, and specifically the load menu that gives us access to manuscripts from multiple repositories. And this last sprint, we were focusing on the asynchronous loading of these items and developing some patterns to easily deal with this. I just want to cover these two goals here that we've been working on this week. So last week we wanted to present the list of manifests in the load menu synchronously, and we were able to do that in the console but not through the rendered interface, so we're able to do that now. We polished that up a little bit. And finally, to populate the load menu asynchronously. And now I just want to show you what we have. We have our items up here from the demo, and we implemented a simple state machine to deal with these menu items so they close correctly when you open other ones. We go back to the normal workspace, and these are the list items that have been populated from our configuration. So we're now to the point where we have an almost functional load menu and should be able to interact with the workspace soon. So these are being brought in from the configuration string that is provided by the implementer of the specific instance of Mirador. So right here they will pass in this configuration object that makes these manifests available. And we also have, although this is still not quite rendering, I'm going to fix that today, the ability to, if we open up, if we take one of these manifests that's commented out here, for instance this Baudelaire one, take this URL, we can add a manifest from a URL, and it will add that to the manifests. So I just want to show that in the console here. And we're looking for this Osborne FA1, which was not brought in, and we see that it's right here, but it's not being loaded into the interface quite yet. But it will sort of pop onto the top right here. So that's where we are. We, according to the paperwork here, made it through about 45% of the tickets. One of these tickets is a sort of higher level ticket that combines the rest of these. And we pretty much worked through the problems that are remaining on these tickets. It's just sort of a matter of typing at this point. We did several experiments to find out which patterns would work for us, and we have a strategy, but there's still some typing to do. So we should have these closed out by tomorrow for the next sprint. And that's where we stand.